In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a status in Slack in just 5 minutes. Now, we all know how important it is to communicate our availability to our colleagues, and one way to do that is by setting a status on Slack. This feature is handy for letting your team know if you're in a meeting, working remotely, or simply taking a break. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Slack website. You can find it easily by typing Slack into your web browser's search bar or navigating directly to slack.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. If you're like many of us and prefer the convenience of using your Google account, click on Sign In with Google. This option streamlines the process, sparing you from remembering yet another password. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is where all your conversations and channels live. It's the hub of your work communications. Next, in the top right corner, you'll notice your profile icon. Give it a click. This will open up a menu with several options pertaining to your account. In this menu, look for the option that says Update Your Status. Clicking on this will bring up a new window. Here, you're given a few default status options like in a meeting or out sick, but you can also choose to customize your own status. Perhaps you want to let your team know you're at the coffee shop or focusing on deep work. Feel free to use the text field to type a unique status, and even add an emoji to give it some flair. Once you've decided on the right status, the final step is to click on Set Status. This might seem like a small action, but it communicates a lot about your current situation without the need for additional messaging or explanations. It's particularly useful in team environments to foster better scheduling and understanding of each other's availability. And there you have it. Your status is set and you've successfully communicated your current work context to your team. Remember, you can change or clear your status at any time, so feel free to update it as your day progresses. By keeping your status current, you help your team work smarter and more collaboratively. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that setting your status in Slack will now be a breeze. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything covered in this video, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to catch more helpful content. Happy slacking.